Yeah, we know we look like shit.
Just kind of woke up.
We just woke up.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What am I fucking doing? Wait. No, not that. Here we go. Fuck you.
And we're gonna release it.
And it says someone rip your dick off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, where'd it go?
Oh, what the fuck did I just step in? Dude.
Where'd it go? Fuck it.
What the fuck?
It like disappeared. Holy shit.
Where?
I said holy shit.
Oh, what the fuck is on my
It's right
foot?
there. See it?
Where?
See it? The spot, it's right up there. See that little pink dot up there? I just hold the laptop.
Get this crap off my foot!
I am not touching that crap. I don't know where or what it is, okay? Okay. Well, I'm not touching your dog shit. Oh my god. Fucking mushy. Oh my god, I'm crying.
Oh my god, that was nasty. Ew!
What did you step in it again?
No, but it's like fucking... Oh my god, the camera's still on.
I know.
You're serious. Children, wear shoes.
Holy shit.
Especially when you're letting off balloons that say fuck you.
Okay, where is it? It's probably fucking... Can't see it now. It's in the sky, it's there. You see it?
No.
I don't know. I don't know, the street hurts my fucking feet.